Today I am talking about harmonic analysis, which is a part of Fourier series. If there is an equation like y is equal to x square defined in the interval minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 1, you know how to obtain the Fourier series. But suppose if there is an experimental data, then how to obtain the Fourier series is the question. The process of obtaining Fourier series to the experimental data, if it can be represented in this form, a0 by 2 plus a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta, a2 cos 2 theta plus b2 sin 2 theta, a3 cos 3 theta plus b3 sin 3 theta, then that process is called as harmonic analysis. Process of expressing the experimental data in this form. It is called as harmonic analysis. Now here, a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta, it is called as first harmonic. a2 cos 2 theta plus b2 sin 2 theta, it is called as second harmonic. a3 cos 3 theta plus b3 sin 3 theta, it is called as third harmonic. Now we are finding the values of a0, a1, b1, a2, b2, a3, b3, and we are substituting in the equation 1. A0 is given by the formula 2 by capital N into sigma y. Later I will tell you what is N. A small n is equal to 2 by capital N. Note the difference. Small n, capital N. A n is equal to 2 by capital N into sigma y cos n theta. B small n is equal to 2 by capital N into sigma y sin n theta. Now suppose if I want A1, put small n is equal to 1. If I want A2, put small n is equal to 2 here. Right? If I want B1, this B1, put small n is equal to 1. If I put small n is equal to 1, 2 by capital N, sigma y, sin, small n is 1, sin theta. Right? Like that. You are finding the constant. Now I will tell you what is this n. This n is nothing but the number of entries in the data. The number of entries in the data. Now, so that is what I have written. Capital N is equal to number of points or data before completion of the cycle. I will tell you what is the meaning of before completion of the cycle when I take up an example. Theta is given by pi x by L. This theta, it is given by pi x by L. What is L? How you are calculating L? L is calculated, very important point, these two. L is calculated after the completion of the cycle. One, capital N means number of points before the completion of the cycle. Capital L is the value calculated after the completion of the cycle. I will tell you what is completion of the cycle when I take up an example. Now suppose there is an example like this. This I am not going to do. Just I want to tell you, very important what I have seen in my experience, students used to commit mistake while calculating this capital N and this capital N. Now, what is the data? Suppose the data is like this. This is the input, x is the input, y is the output. The data is like this. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is equal to 2, 6, 3, 4, 8, 11. Now suppose, if I have to calculate, first step is always we are calculating theta. That is the first step. Next step is, next step is how to find capital N. So what is the first step? Theta is equal to pi into x by L. Question is how to calculate L. To calculate L, note the point, to calculate L, cycle should be completed. Very important point. What do you mean by completion of the cycle? Completion of the cycle means the first output, the last output and the first output, last output and the first output, they must be same. But here what is the last output? 11. What is the first output? 2. They are different. They should be same. That means to calculate L, I have to see that the last output and the first output should be same. So therefore, here they are not same. Therefore, I am continuing this data. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. What is the next value? 4 plus 1, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Corresponding to 6. This first entry I will write. 2. Now observe. What is the first output? 2. What is the last output? 2. They are same. First output is 2. Last output is 2. This is the extra I have added. Now this cycle is completed. Remember, when you add something, that means whether you are adding or not, I am not bothered. What I want? First output, last output, they should be same. So now they are same. So therefore, L is calculated like this. What is the upper limit? 6. Observe, upper limit is 6. Lower limit 0. 6 minus 0 by 2. L is equal to 3. What is the L? Upper limit 6. Lower limit 0 divided by 2. L is equal to 3. So I have calculated L. How I have calculated L? After adding the 6 and 2. Why I have added 6 and 2? The reason is, what is the reason? First output, last output, they are not same. Therefore, in order to make first output and last output same, I have added the extra one, that is 6 corresponding to 6. This first value 2. Now the first output, last output same. So therefore, L is equal to upper limit 6 minus lower limit 0 divided by 2. L is equal to 3. To calculate N, if the first output and last output are same, I have to remove either this one or this one. Either the last one or the first one I have to remove. Now suppose if I remove this, what is capital N? Capital N is number of points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Capital N is 6. How many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So capital N is 6. L is equal to, see, 3. So theta is equal to pi x by L. L is 3. So if you understand this much, other things will become easy. So very important to understand how to calculate L, how to calculate N. Now in the next period, I am taking a problem regarding this. Okay.